Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So today we are again making a very requested a shampoo, which is going to be a herbal based shampoo. A lot of people like to use herbal based shampoo, so I'm making this video for them. This is going to be it's going to be a hibiscus shampoo, and here this water that we have, this is hibiscus water. Now if you want to make any other herbal shampoo, if you want to add any other herbs like Rita, Shikakai, rosemary, you can add any other herbs of your choice, but today we are going to be doing a hibiscus shampoo. Now this shampoo has a lot of hair benefits. It helps in treating dandruff, it helps with soothing itchy scalp, it helps to cleanse your scalp, it helps in strengthening your hair so that the hair fall reduces. So there are a lot of amazing benefits of hibiscus. We have used the hibiscus flower. If you have the leaf, you can also use that to make a shampoo. So we'll quickly start with the making of this shampoo. The basic formulation, as always, will be shared in the description box. For these advanced formulations, you all can join the workshops. WhatsApp number, details for the workshops have been given in the description box. So here I have my water phase in which I have taken my hibiscus water. I have soaked the hibiscus overnight in hot water, and I have used that so it has a beautiful red color, along with some glycerin as my humectant, so that your hair feels well moisturized and soft after you've used the shampoo. Now here I have my blend of surfactants. You can take any surfactants of your choice. You have cocoa glucoside, you have cocamidopropyl betaine, lot of liquid surfactants which is very safe to use even for beginners. So you can go ahead and use any. I have taken my blend of liquid surfactants here, all very nourishing, moisturizing and conditioning for the hair. And here I have my oil phase in which I have my blend of emollients, emulsifiers. I have some lather foaming agents, a little bit of pearling agent. So a lot of these hair loving ingredients have been added in my oil phase. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to heat both these phases, my oil and my water phase, and we will make the shampoo. Okay, so I've gone ahead and heated my oil phase ingredients here and my water phase as well, and now we'll go ahead and combine both these phases together, and we'll give it a good blend to combine both the phases. Okay, so I've gone ahead and blended both the phases together here, and all the bubbles that you can see on top, that will all settle down. Now what we are going to do is we are going to go ahead and add our surfactant phase in this, and we will just give it a gentle mix, and we'll leave it to blend. We'll leave it to mix in together. Okay, so I have kept this at the side for around 15 to 20 minutes to completely cool off after adding the surfactant, and this is how beautiful after emulsion our lovely shampoo looks. The viscosity, it's quite thick, and this will become a little more thick after 24 hours. So now I will quickly go ahead, it's completely cooled down. I will add my preservative to this and my fragrance, and we'll give this a mix, and we'll just cover this and keep this at the side for a few hours till everything gets well combined, and I will show you all how the final mixture looks. Okay, so I have left the solution as it is here for around an hour, and now this is the final look of our lovely hibiscus shampoo. Very conditioning, moisturizing, softening for your skin, helps with the dandruff removal to give you a nice healthy shiny hair, and this is how the look of the shampoo is. So we'll fill this up in our bottle here, and you all can see how thick and viscous the shampoo is. Alright, so this is it with our hibiscus shampoo. And friends, if you like what I share with you all, if you all want me to share more such formulations with you all, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much everyone.